To start auto investing in Bybit, begin by opening the Bybit app or website and navigating to the Trade section, where you will find the Trading Bot option. From here, you can create a bot using one of 4 available strategies: Futures Grid, Futures Martingale, Spot Grid, or DCA. For example, you can choose the Futures Grid option. Once you've selected a strategy, you can then opt for either an AI strategy or a manual strategy, followed by choosing a neutral, long, or short position. After making these selections, you can set your investment amount, with a minimum requirement of 219 USDT for certain trades. Simply fill in your desired investment amount and click Create Now to activate the AI strategy bot, which will then automatically trade on your behalf. Additionally, you can browse through preset options and select one that suits your preferences, filling in your investment amount and clicking Create Now to begin auto trading. By following these steps, you can easily set up auto investing in Bybit.